Use these steps to check your system and in-game settings if your voice chat isn't working in Rainbow Six Siege. To begin, select the Audio tab from your Options menu. To access the voice chat section, scroll down and enable voice chat. Make sure your voice chat input mode is at least above 50, so your microphone can pick up your voice and that your voice chat volume is high enough to hear your teammates. Next, make sure that voice chat record mode is selected. This can be configured to push to talk or open. Go to your controls menu and check your keybind if you've selected push to talk. You can rebind this to any key that feels comfortable for you, but the default key is U. If it still isn't working, the issue is likely your Windows settings. Right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Input, ensure your microphone is set as the default communication device. Siege will not recognize your mic if it isn't set as the primary communication input. Once these settings are matched, your voice chat should be fully functional. Apply your changes and restart the game if necessary.